Hey kids, this is Mr. Ritzema. I wanted to give you some directions on how to complete this box for the Big Dipper. As you can see, I'm looking at the side of a box, but I'm looking at it looking down. And the map that's on there is of the stars in the Big Dipper, but it doesn't look like the Big Dipper because this is looking at the Big Dipper from above. Notice the numbers off to the right-hand side. That's how many light years away those stars are. So most of the stars in the Big Dipper are about 80 light years away. One of them's about 120 and one of them's 180. So that's how the sheet goes on the top of the box. Let's look inside. And now we're looking like the Big Dipper. This is the other sheet that doesn't have the scale of the light years on it, but it does have the stars. You can see if I move to the side a little bit, yeah, they are a different distance away from the front, but if I go back here, pretty sweet, there's the Big Dipper. So how do you make this? Well, you put the sheet on the side of a box. Notice that the 180 is toward the bottom of the box. Then what you do is you poke a hole in each one of where the stars are. After you do that, then you glue fish line onto the various stars, your beads. You just glue it on there, or you could string it through. And then you feed this line up through the hole that you've made for the different stars. Now here's the tricky part. So let's say we have this star right here. We make a hole, we get a string, we line up where that is. You got to get it at the right height in the box, the right distance from the bottom. See that? If it was up here, it'd be the wrong location. So it's got to be down. So you got to line that up. Once you line it up, then you tape off that area on the top. You see the tape? Okay, so you do that for each of the stars so that they match up to where you want them to appear inside the box. Then when you're done, you can get the rest of your beads and actually glue them on where the holes were. That's what I did here. So you can see what it looks like from above, if you're looking down at those stars from a long distance away, or like they appear to us here on Earth, the Big Dipper. Have fun making this. Hope the video helps. Bye.